conditions up there, Simran.
Well, all right, Belly. Thank you for, in fact, adding these details and putting more information on record as far as the ambitious and highly anticipated ISRO SpaDex mission is concerned. Group Captain B.N. Jha, who is a former Joint Director of the DRDO, is joining me on the same, in fact. Sir, very good morning and appreciate you joining me live. The twice delayed and much anticipated space docking mission and experiment, which we call SpaDex, involving 2 satellites, might be happening and becoming a reality soon. How do you look at these developments and what is your understanding of how successful this could be?
Very good morning, Simran. I heard you very carefully and you have explained a lot to your viewers. However, in the simpler terms for the viewer to understand, what this entire exercise is, that there are 2 bodies in space under the absolute microgravity, weightless condition. It is orbiting Earth at 470 odd kilometers above the surface at the velocity of about 7.6 kilometers per second or 28,000 kilometers per hour in the approximity of. Now, the entire exercise is that there are 2 satellites who have to couple together, and that coupling is absolute precision. There is no room for error. Hardly about 1 degree variation in their approach can be acceptable, and the coupling will have to be in the position where transfer of payloads or the substance within the chaser will have to go into the target. This is expecting that suppose tomorrow there is a Indian space station and there is a supply going from Earth, from India to the space station, supply or the crew. They will have to dock with the Indian space station in the precise matter, by and large automated, and then there will be transfer of those crew into the spacecraft, international or Indian space station, or the supplies into that space station. This is the basis of it in the simpler term. In other terms, suppose when Chandrayaan-4 goes to moon, it is going with one main objective of bringing back the samples of lunar surface. So from the lunar surface, when the lander again ascends, climbs up, and then gets into the orbiter, that coupling will have to happen, that docking will have to happen, and then there will be transfer of the samples into the main orbiter, and then the orbiter will come up. This is the basis of thinking how it is, what is expected to be there. So right now, these 2 satellites, SpaDex, there is one target and another is chaser. Just 2 days back, we have talked on your channel that chaser was left far behind, it had drifted, and there was a problem whether it can close on to the target, come nearby. So, full compliment to ISRO scientists that they have managed to bring the chaser satellite within 3 meters of the target, and now it is they are getting now ready to ensure that the coupling happens within the degree of freedom that it has got. You know, the degree of error that they can accept is just about 1 degree. So this chaser satellite, which is coming to the target satellite for coupling, can rotate either in either of the 3 axes that is possible. Now that rotation of the extent of 1 degree is acceptable. If it is more than 1 degree, it cannot couple. It will damage the interface plunger and the socket that it has got. It is called the androgynous sort of interface, where there is a plunger. It will go into the groove which is meant for it. Usually there are 3 plungers which will have to go and dock with the complete precision of 1 degree error, not exceeding 1 degree error. So that is what is the exercise right now. So now, since it has come to nearly 3 meters apart, ISRO scientists will now completely analyze the position of the chaser, whether it is oriented with the exactly within 1 degree of error or not. If not, then they will try to again maneuver the target and bring it to the position wherein it is in the complete alignment with the target, and then it will close in and gradually reducing the velocity, it will go and dock with the target. That is the entire exercise. There are, it is a rocket science. It is a complete precision and too many variables.
All right, Captain, we enjoy. In fact, thank you for giving us your time and putting this in detail and with complete precision as to what exactly is going to be the next step forward as far as the space docking and the success of this entire process of docking is concerned. Now, ISRO postponed the ambitious space